Today we're going to add a custom field in WebView. And to do that, we'll start at the home page from the menu in Settings. We will choose Custom Fields. We're going to add a constituent custom field, and let's say it's called Preferred having a hard time spelling. We'll choose Preferred Newsletter. Because we have several, we're going to offer them. It requires a custom table. So I'm going to add a new table. And it's going to be newsletter types. Save it. I typically only want to allow one per record, but in this case, I do want to let somebody have multiple newsletters. It is required because I want to know if they want one, and it is an active field. So we'll save that. Then we'll go back to Settings, Tables. I want to find the one I just added. Newsletter types. Now I can build the type. This is our dog pictures. We're going to add our cat pictures. And no pictures. They don't want any of our pictures newsletters. So now we can give it to donors on their constituents page. I'll go to my record. And I can add a new custom field. So when I chose Preferred Newsletter, I want dog pictures. Starting today, save. And that's how you add a new custom field as well as the table.